What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a little 2010 Club Car Precedent we put together here on the channel, and it's doing 16 miles per hour. And on today's video, we're going to see if we can gain a little bit more speed for about 25 bucks. Stay tuned. So it looks like we're starting to top out around 16 miles per hour. All right, so on the side of the motor, we're gonna remove this right here cap and the magnet. What you can't see here, this right here is gonna be the triangle plug, which is the same thing as this right here. So there's gonna be a clip that you're going to push down and pull away from this right here connector that's on that one there. Now, in order to remove this right here, I used an 8mm socket and a wrench there. Pull those two bolts off. Went ahead and pull this right here off. In order to remove the magnet here, I used a 10mm socket. However, to replace it with the aftermarket bolt that comes with the new magnet, I believe it's going to take a 11mm socket. Notice this right here only has two circles on it. The new one's going to have 4. So the old one's on the left, 2 circles. New one's on the right with 4 circles. Circles are going to be facing outward. All right, so the new one is on. There was no need to really tighten it down really tight. I just snugged it down. It's in place. Next, we're going to replace the sensor on top of the magnet with the 2 included bolts for the motor itself as well. All right, everything is back on and replaced. Let's go check it out and see exactly if we've improved it or not. All right, let's check it out. We got the new magnet installed and the speed sensor installed. Let's see exactly how fast we can go now. I went ahead and get on the left-hand side of the road because there's a lady walking, and that lady does not like me. She does not like my big golf cart or anything. She's probably calling the law now. But anyways, let's hit it and see exactly what we get out of about a $25 upgrade. If she waved or not, she don't like me. $18, $19, $20, 4 miles per hour. Can we get? All right, we're there. 4 miles per hour for around 25 bucks. You can't beat that, guys. I'm gonna place a link to that down in the description below.